Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you all on board to an awakening journey of spirituality. On this plane of spirituality, all the passengers are free to board along with their families and friends. Your identification pass, being human, is the only document required to board this plane. After self-checking your human IDs, we request all passengers to be seated and fasten their seat belts with their open and receptive minds. All our passengers are required to keep tightly locked their cabin baggages of material belongings, worries, and desires and secure them underneath their seats or in the overhead compartments as the plane is ready to take off. Once the person has fastened his seat belt on this plane of true spirituality by flipping his mind button to absolute receptivity, no person ever desires to unfasten his or her belt. Ladies and gentlemen, on this divine aircraft of spirituality, there is no discrimination between business and economy class, as all are equal. The practice of negative traits like disunity, ego, hatred, envy, etc. are not permitted on this aircraft. The positive attitude of love, peace, brotherhood, and selflessness is welcome during takeoff, throughout journey, and landing. Selfless service to your co-passengers in a humble mode of learning is highly encouraged. There is no scope for the greed of praise, fame, and recognition on this flight. On the plane of spirituality, there are ample number of doors to draw you closer to your God. You can choose the one that attracts you the most. Note that the nearest door to divinity may be very near to you. In the unlikely event of some unpredictable challenges, the divine writings through the Holy Scriptures will be guiding your path to the doors of solace and supplication. In the emergent situation of complete loss of pleasure, hope, and faith, the power of prayers will work like oxygen for your life. If the suffering is prolonged, then increase the dose of prayers with your unwavering trust in God and His confirmations. Secure your own soul's life before helping other co-passengers in building their trust. Divine teachings and holy writings are kept very near to your place. Stretch your hands out and secure your copies well in time. In the unlikely event of the end of this material life, ensure that your soul is awakened and enlightened with true knowledge and understanding. All our passengers are advised to hold the divine light and inflate their souls with the true love of God just before leaving this earthly plane. If it fails to inflate, put in some more effort. Your soul will automatically get lightened when it comes into the contact of true spiritual education. For any further information, please consult with the crew of dedicated and sincere Spiritual Education Institute of your community. Thank you for choosing this aircraft We hope to see you flying with us regularly on the flight of true spirituality.